Good day, I am Rose E. Turifil, and I will be presenting a review of a recent scientific article authored by Filipino researchers entitled Microplastics in Surface Water of Laguna de Bay, First Documented Evidence on the Largest Lake in the Philippines, by Arcadio and colleagues, and it was published on November 2022. This study represents a pioneering effort in documenting microplastic pollution in Laguna de Bay, a critical freshwater resource in the country. The research team conducted field sampling in February 2022 at 10 distinct sites around Laguna de Bay. Surface water samples were collected and analyzed using Fourier transform inferred spectroscopy or the FTIR to accurately determine the polymer composition. The study identified a total of 100 microplastic particles with an average concentration of approximately 14.29 items per cubic meter. The majority of particles were fibers constituting 57% of the total, with blue-colored particles being most prevalent. The dominant polymers were polypropylene, ethylene vinyl acetate, and polyethylene terephthalate, which together accounted for approximately 65% of the particles identified. Laguna de Bay plays a vital role in the Philippines economy and ecology. It supports large-scale aquaculture operations, provides irrigation, and supplies water to surrounding provinces and parts of Metro Manila. The detection of microplastics in this lake has serious implications for aquatic ecosystems, fisheries, and potentially the human health. Microplastics can be ingested by plankton, shellfish, and fish, thereby entering the food web and posing risks to biodiversity and food safety. The researchers also found that the higher microplastic concentrations were associated with more densely populated lakeshore areas, indicating that inadequate waste management is a significant contributing factor. The authors advocate for immediate, multifaceted interventions including: Number 1. The implication of improved local waste management systems to prevent plastic leakage into waterways. Number 2. The promotion of biodegradable material alternatives to reduce dependence on synthetic polymers. Number 3. Future research to assess the ecological and economic impacts of microplastics, particularly on aquaculture species within Laguna de Bay. I choose this article due to its direct relevance to both environmental sustainability and public welfare in the Philippines. As the first documented assessment of microplastics in Laguna de Bay, the study not only establishes a scientific baseline, but also underscores the urgent need for action. Its methodology is rigorous and its findings are highly actionable, offering guidance for policymakers, environmental managers, and community stakeholders. In conclusion, this article represents a landmark contribution to environmental science in the Philippines. It draws urgent attention to the challenge of microplastic pollution in one of our nation's most vital freshwater resources and offers well-founded recommendations for its mitigation. Addressing this issue will require coordinated efforts among government agencies, academic institutions, industry stakeholders, and local communities. In the formulation of local management plans, it is imperative to prioritize the health and sustainability of Laguna de Bay as a central consideration. Thank you for listening, and again, I am Rose E. Turifil.